A warm welcome to everybody. My name is Zala Volcic and I am a director of Bachelor of Media Communication. I'm here today to travel with you and map the degree for you and explain what and how we are teaching here at Monash. I'm going to answer my first question, which is why this degree now? We live in the most saturated moment in human history. If you want to study media and if you want to work in the media, this is your moment. We literally wear our media devices. We take them with us wherever we go and we are connected absolutely all the time. So if you want to understand the society, you want to understand the media. If you want to participate in the society, you want to participate in the media. And if you want to change the society for the better, you want to change the media for the better. So, of course, if you want to then work in the media, you have to understand the media. And that's why we are here. We are a Bachelor of Media and Communication degree here at Monash University. And it's definitely professionally oriented degree at a research university. This is a hybrid degree, and we offer you a mix of specialist media communication knowledge and a lot of professional skills. You can specialize in your chosen area from day one and then declare your specialization at the end of first year. The degree leads to a range of professional positions within media and communication, and staff are definitely leaders in their fields and they have strong links with the creative and cultural sectors. You will learn cutting-edge theory and you will be given numerous opportunities to experiment with new media technologies and practices in our media labs. But let me go and explain a little bit more about our 4 specializations and explain in depth who is going to be teaching you and how we are teaching you. There are 4 specializations to choose from: journalism, media, PR, and screen. You are going to be offered a media project and you are also be able to choose your industry internship. And I'm going to be explaining this a little bit later. But who will be teaching you? BMC team has not only very strong academic background, so we are talking about top scholars in the fields that are going to be teaching you, but they also have a wealth of experience in the media and communication. They are journalists, they are PR experts, they are filmmakers, and so on. And so your lecturers will provide very, very strong mentorship guidance, and they will support you on your path to become a very experienced media expert yourself. What will you learn in our degree? We want to point, there are 3 very important layers. First, strategic knowledge. You will definitely understand media communication on a local and global level, so the impacts, the power, and the future of media. You will be offered practical and professional skills, so you will be able to really develop your skills while being creative and while learning about theory and history. So you will be able to link knowledge and media practice in professional context, not on the expense of understanding ethical and legal aspects as well. And thirdly, you are going to be collaborating a lot. So collaboration and leadership skills are very, very important within Bachelor of Media and Communication. So you will be working in teams, you will be building your knowledge within our BMC community, and you are going to be able to really experience different professional settings where you are going to be writing and thinking and producing together. Four specializations are media, screen journalism, and public relations. And let me just briefly talk about this. For those of you who want to learn more and understand media and communications, media specialization offers you a range of different units, and then a lot of different possibilities to become an expert in media, to work for NGO, to work for different global organizations while understanding how to communicate in professional settings, how to communicate interculturally. Screen section and specialization offers you theoretical and historical units, but it also really helps you to learn production. So you will be able to produce your own videos, you will be able to create and edit your short films, long films, ads, and so on. Journalism really equips you with journalistic skills so that you can produce and practice high journalism. And what a moment it is, right? Really to become journalist and contribute to a democratic society. Public relations is the fourth specialization. It's definitely an incredibly rich and strong specialization. We argue it's one and the best in Australia because what we are offering is critical PR studies. So how to be critical, but also then how to communicate. So for specialization, but let me talk a little bit about core study requirements within our degree. The first year, you are going to be taking two first-year units. The first one is Media Challenges, and the second one is Communicating in the Digital Era. Every BMC student takes these two units. It is where we create our identity. It is where you will get to know very closely your schoolmates, where you are going to be learning together, thinking together, and already starting to produce your media texts. I'm going to talk briefly about media challenges in a moment, but I do want to really emphasize that the third layer is a professional project or internship. Every BMC student is guaranteed a professional project or internship with a very prestigious industry partner. So I just want to give you a couple of examples from media challenges. This is a unit, first year unit, extremely exciting. I teach it, and it is about different challenges that we are faced as media experts. So what do we do? Firstly, the first 5-6 weeks, we explore different media challenges in depth. So we talk about fake news. We talk about the rise of private commercial media and the challenges this poses. We talk about artificial intelligence and automated media. We talk about the lack of privacy and the challenge of that. We talk about surveillance. We talk about media propaganda. And we talk about reporting climate change. And at the start of the semester, I ask our students, what are some of the main challenges? These are the themes, challenges that you, the students, pick. And then we go in depth and explore this throughout the first 6 weeks of semester. So we study them, we do very exciting assessments that are visual, we make our own blogs, we make our own podcasts. So we learn very carefully, we learn historically and theoretically, but then we invite you to respond and create and produce your work collaboratively, and then you share it. And in the end, of course, we celebrate as well your work. But the unit definitely, stresses, how information circulates in different societies. BMC is extremely global in its perspectives. We learn different media in different parts of the world. And we learn, who controls the media, why we consume the media, how we think about the media, what are significant, really, media challenges globally, not just within Australia. And especially we address the topic why media matters to us, right? Both individually and collectively. So some of the topics extremely popular among our students are: how are women portrayed in media, in cinema? Why aren't there more women PR experts, how to understand BBC as a public broadcasting, why are Turkish soap operas so popular around the world? Why do we watch them in Mexico? How there is not just Hollywood, but there is Bollywood and other local media production centers around the world. So we really carefully explore these themes, topics, and as said, then we invite you to respond, produce, engage, and participate with your own creative spirits. In second and third year, we offer very specialized media labs. These are, again, taught by top scholars and experts. We offer audio lab, we offer media analytics lab, we offer social media writing lab, and we offer entrepreneurship lab. These are our specializations. BMC students can pick one or many. They are taught in small groups. You are taught in teams, mostly in workshop delivery, meaning coming together, carefully thinking and discussing these issues, and then going out there and creating, producing. So social media writing lab, for example, prepares you how to write for social media age, right? What to pay attention to, and definitely prepares you well for the current media moment. If I go on, these units exist because we want to engage you both as thinkers and as doers. I think that's extremely important. And I want to point out here again, BMC exists within Monash, yes, as a kind of professionalized degree, but it's carefully designed within a top research university. So you will get both. You will get research, theory, history, but you will also get professional skills. You will become thinker and you will become doer. What I want to stress is as well, how we teach. We teach while delivering mini lectures. Workshops. We provide workshops for you where we come together and are deeply engaged with each other. We really listen to each other. We then collaboratively create. We also are definitely pioneers in terms of providing online lessons in different modules. On the top of that, every unit and BMC as a degree offers forums. We have specific screenings, and we have BMC special events. This is extremely important. This is where you become a part of BMC community, right? Where we offer different discussions with media industry experts. You can network. You can really get insights into the industries that you are interested in working. So it's a really kind of rich and strong landscape of teaching spaces within BMC, all prepared for you to really build a bridge with the industry, to send you out there into the world, to make it a better world. The one very important component of BMC program is work integrated learning layer. And I just want to give you a couple of examples. These are part of internships that BMC students can pick. And these are some of the examples, what our students and where they can work and get working experiences. So we have students who were a part of Jewish International Film Festival. We had students who were working and helping NGV. So from media organizations to different art organizations, to different business organizations, to different political organizations. Internships are definitely, right, that layer of BMC that offers you to get experience in the industry. That's where you will develop professional skills. That's where you will make connections and where you will network. You will build your CV and clarify your career directions. You will figure it out. Is that something I really want? Or maybe I'm more of a PR, right? Expert. Or a lot of our students decide, making films, visuals, right? You will just see. You have time to explore and figure it out, what you are really passionate about. the internships you can do during semester or during your holidays. And they're Monash sourced or student sourced. So we can help you out finding internships. But if you are set to decide on working with a particular media organization, we can approve that as well. There are 6 or 12 credits they count towards your course, and they have been proven extremely popular among our students. Some examples of internships in the last 2 years that our students were a part of, from public broadcaster ABC to different commercial television stations, newspapers, you can also contact unit coordinators to help you out if you have ideas, if you still don't know, but again, feel interested in particular organization. A lot of open space here. I would point out our wonderful Monash Media Lab. This is a multi-million facility. It has industry, really standard equipment. That's where you are going to be learning. That's where you're going to be creating, right? It has television and radio studios, newsroom, different editing rooms. That's where action happens with us, your lecturers and tutors. That's where you're going to be spending a lot of time. Monash Media Lab is absolutely an incredible creative space, open to all BMC students, and you are going to be warmly welcome here. I want to talk about some skills and resources that you will graduate with. You will definitely develop high levels of literacy. You will develop professional skills. You will have the adaptability to many different and diverse media systems. Extremely important, you are going to be building throughout BMC degree a portfolio of your work. Let me explain what that means. Every single unit that you create your own work is connected to ePortfolio. It's a site where you're building your curriculum vitae. It is what you are going to be taking to your future organizations where you want to work. And so your future editors, for example, are going to be able to look at the films that you have done, the visuals, the blogs, the ads, television programs, any kind of photos, any kind of writing for social media and so on. So it's all in one place, and we teach you how to design it and how to work on it, and how, in a way, to archive and showcase your wonderful work. And let me end, you will definitely graduate with ability for global perspectives. Again, BMC is extremely global in its perspectives, in thinking. You are going to be exposed to global themes, challenges, and the way that media are being made and produced globally. Some of the career options, I think that's, for me, extremely exciting to talk about. A lot of career options. Basically, the world is yours. Once you graduate, you can work within social media, you can work in television, you can work in journalism, right? In radio, newspapers, public relations, in media, in film, in screen, in publishing. You can work in events, in marketing, advertising, so a whole array of professions that you can pick from. And what I think I would point out here as well is, yes, there are career options out there that are already there, but BMC makes you think in terms of being entrepreneurial. Make your own career, right? But how can you do it? So we carefully guide you and offer you some possibilities, options. We, in a way, try to not only empower you, but inspire you while carefully guiding you. Where are our graduates today? Just some examples. We have Joel Smith here, who is a social media manager for Tennis Australia, just to kind of, that you can see a whole array, right, of different professions. Sarah works for 60 Minutes. She's a reporter. She did journalism here. Yalda Hakim, she works for BBC World News. She's a broadcast journalist, a news presenter, and documentary maker. These are just some of the examples, but I want to briefly talk about more in depth about degree structure and then some of the options how you can study. We are very flexible. We are, yes, specialized, but again, not on the expense of being careful in terms of electives and in terms of historical and theoretical knowledge. So if we look at a Bachelor of Media Communication, so undergraduate, this is not a double degree, even though you can pick a double degree as well, but it's 3 years. And as said, in the first year, there are two main units that you take, media challenges and communicating in the digital era. And then you have specialization. You declare your specialization and you can change it as well. It's not set in stone, right? But it kind of helps you because you can orient yourself and plan and map in a way your study. Definitely a lot of room for electives. You can pick your units and classes in history, geography, languages, you name it, right? And then neatly combine and make your own degree as you go. The same goes for year 2, right? So specialization, you take the units from specialization, then you have labs, then you have electives. Third year, very similarly, right? So a lot of flexibility. Roughly this degree is 30% research theory, 30% very practically oriented units where you really learn skills, and the rest is electives that again you can freely pick. You can also choose a double degree. This is an option that is extremely popular. So this is a double degree option with the Bachelor of Media Communication. And you can do Bachelor of Business. The second option is Bachelor of Business Administration. Third option is Bachelor of Design. Fourth option is Bachelor of Fine Arts. And fifth option is Bachelor of Marketing. So you can neatly and nicely combine. And what a great opportunity, right? To do a double degree. A double degree, however, doesn't mean double the work. I want to point that out, right? But I thought it might be useful to just look at how your degree might look like if you decide for a double degree. This is something extremely special for BMC, that we offer a double degree. And again, let me stress what BMC is about, right? It's a professional degree within a research environment, but it offers you it's 4 years long. And what you have is you declare your specialization, and then you have the units that you take from other degree. Flexible, again, many choices to choose from. You do belong to BMC. You create kind of your own identity within BMC community. You are a part of BMC community, but on the top, right, you study a second degree as well. I want to just point out as well something that I think is extremely important. You can realize your ambitions by graduating with a bachelor's and a master's degree in just 4 years as well. BMC allows that. You can fast track your studies and you can graduate, right, with an undergraduate and graduate degree in just 4 years instead of 5. We offer this possibility. We can offer intense units for you. And you can take advantage of the most extensive bachelor's, master's offering in Australia. Again, units are being taught by scholars, academics, and practitioners alike, right? So that option, if you decide to continue with your master's, that saves time, saves fees, but it also means that you are more employable with 2 degrees, right? And a very specialist knowledge. Let me now travel with you and go just a little bit beyond the classroom as well. So I hope that I was clear in explaining how we teach, how it's extremely important for BMC team to guide you, teach you, provide mentorship intellectually, also emotionally, and how and what we do in terms of equipping you with skills. One level, of course, are internships and industry connections. The other layer of BMC is what's happening beyond the classroom. And that, I mean, students coming together and creating. And so we have Mojo News. These are independent news that you can take a part of, professionally edited, run by journalism students, but as PR student or as film student, you can of course participate and be a part of. And it's definitely award-winning as well. So a kind of a student-run media space. Another one is The Struggle. So there are many, right, spaces, if you want, right, of additional BMC community, BMC creation and BMC identity. So what's next? I would love you to continue the conversation with me and the rest of BMC team about studying a BMC degree. So if you have any questions, please either email me or explore the ARDS website. Ask any questions that you might have. Maybe these are detailed questions about specific units. Maybe they are about logistics, right? How can I finish in 3 years? How many points if I take this particular elective and not the other? So please bring any kind of questions. We are here very excited to teach you, to guide you, to support you, to use the media to make the world a better place. We are here to build bridge with the industry and send you out there into the world, into the media world. We are here to equip you with skills so that you will get the best jobs there are there, either in Australia or globally. And all I want to do now is wish you the most wonderful day and wish you all the best. And I look very much forward to see you in our classrooms very soon. All the best. Bye.